हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू द हडल। आज ऑलमोस्ट फुल हाउस है, काफ़ी बॉयज़ वापस आ गए हैं।
और होते जगह ना होती।
हाँ अच्छा हुआ, वैसे और नहीं है। तारिक अब्दुर्रहमान ऑन माय राइट, साथ है जकरिया आगा।
Which camera? Oh, that one.
No, that's fixing.
लेफ्ट साइड पे बकर एंड शेरी इज बैक।
I'm back.
सेकंड एपिसोड है तुम्हारा,
Yeah,
वेलकम बैक शेरी।
thank you.
अच्छा बॉयज़,
He's like the Undertaker in the last 4 years of WrestleMania or whatever. He just disappears. He's like, oh, I'm back for
I'm
like
back.
twice in 6
The
months.
Rock की तरह है।
Yes.
वो अंडरटेकर कह रहे, तुम रॉक कह रहे हो।
Undertaker तो होता ही था, वो वापस तो नहीं आता था।
नहीं
We are not discussing wrestling, bro.
WrestleMania पे स्पेशल
मर जाता था उसमें।
No, it's like back from the dead, you know.
Yeah,
that's
but
what
he
we
would
should-
come. He did like 3 matches in 3 years.
ना
Back from the dead.
Undertaker did after he was like 65 or something.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
not
been 65 since 2005 or something.
एंड में तो आखिरी वाले में लग रहा था कि यार इसको घर भेजो, इस बेचारा
हाँ ब्रो, उससे चला नहीं जा रहा था।
You guys want me to leave as well?
He puts his body on the line for your entertainment, and now you just shit on him like this.
I can't believe we're starting to huddle off with this.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ,
Isn't there the Rock logo?
It's technically sports.
it is।
Oh
Bull.
He planned us. He incepted us.
Yeah.
And also,
At some point when we give us your opinion, when we give you our opinion, you have to say it doesn't matter what you think.
it's technically sports entertainment, so we're right on cue.
हाँ अच्छा, अब हम जा रहे हैं बैलन डे और
Balloon door.
बलून डे और पे के
First of all,
किसको क्या हाँ
I want to just say something.
चल बोल.
Simon Kier is on the short list.
Who is
ठीक
this guy?
What?
Saved what's
Denmark's
his name?
captain.
Denmark's
ठीक है?
captain,
And I know a
Easy
lot of
man,
people are
centre back.
saying that it's because
He
of
saved Christian Eriksen's life.
the guy he saved
Okay, listen,
Christian
man.
Eriksen's
How is he in
Shut
there instead
up,
of
hello,
Edward Mendy?
woke-
That's
hello,
just
से
sorry.
बात
Yeah.
करो, इससे क्यों गए हो?
वो मेंडी पे आ गए.
Ah, Mendy, first of all, nothing against Mendy. I'm not saying he should have been ahead of Mendy. I'm just saying why because there's a lot of people.
No, go ahead.
A lot of people on Twitter, I know, but like you're like woke and shit. But there's a lot of people on Twitter who are saying that he shouldn't be on the list and he's only there because he saved Eriksen's life. And first of all, that's a great thing to do, but that's not why he's just there. When he came into the team, Milan, Champions League, clean sheet records, Denmark qualified for the World Cup without conceding a single goal.
Agreed.
It's unreal, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So he definitely deserves to be there.
I don't know, dude. Like, if you gotta win shit to be on that list.
It's a short list. He's definitely not going
No,
to
but
win.
he has a great
But
point.
it's
How
a-
is that guy
but-
in ahead of Christensen, for example?
Yeah.
I'm sorry for. Wait, is Christensen in there?
I don't
actually?
know.
That would negate my whole point. But like as
That's not what I was saying.
No,
Why-
but I'm just saying he's also in the same Danish team.
Yeah.
And was part of all that success, whatever, and won the Champions League on top of it.
But he didn't play in.
Yeah, but
Denmark.
Yeah, he did.
He
played
had a
for-
bit part
Christian
role
didn't
in
play
it,
for
man.
Denmark. Christensen is like the central defender of Denmark.
Didn't
Played
he
every
play the
game.
last game or something?
Hmm?
Didn't he only play the last game? सब नहीं आया था.
He played every game, and he even scored that screamer in the
In the Euros, man. That was ages ago. Anyways,
It was this summer.
Balloon d'Or.
This calendar year is where the
Bruh,
Ballon d'Or comes
PR game चल रहा है
Yeah,
आजकल for a
मतलब
certain.
जेरार्ड मोरेनो है शॉर्ट लिस्ट में,
from. How are these people over?
रहीम
Can we talk
स्टर्लिंग
about?
है, पेड्री है।
Does anybody here think that?
We're talking about one person in the Ballon d'Or shortlist.
उस पे आते हैं.
ओए है तो सही।
Christensen?
नहीं
Mendy?
की है।
I
वही
know
तो
है.
कह रहे हैं.
That's why I'm saying. I'm saying
लोग-
that.
लोग कह रहे हैं
I'm
कि
saying
वो
लोग
सिर्फ-
कह रहे हैं he's only there because he saved Eriksen's
नहीं,
life.
नहीं।
Okay, no, I see the case for him. But does anybody think that Mendy should
Oh my
have been
God.
on?
No,
there?
no.
You don't think he should be on there?
No, I said that when somebody says no, it means I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah.
He
sure.
should have been.
I guess Mendy makes the list.
Why?
Why not?
Bro,
Shay?
he had second highest clean sheets in the Premier League. He had one of the highest clean sheets in all of Europe. He won the effing Champions League.
And he had the best record in Champions League.
Yeah, and he had the best record in Champions League. And he's the first African player to win the
I don't know,
Champions League.
man.
player
Did he make any?
अच्छा अफ्रीकन छोड़ दो तो और करना क्या
चलो।
आपने?
शॉर्ट लिस्ट तो चलो बना था, लेकिन वो आई थिंक बुफॉन या किसी ने भी कहा था कि यार ये कीपरों को नहीं मिलता, कीपरों को अलग अवार्ड होना
तो
चाहिए.
ये आर्गुमेंट तो नहीं हुआ ना, लेकिन हम तो agree
No,
करते हैं।
he
He
was-
was side. I'm saying कीपरों को नहीं मिलता. He's right.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
कि they should have a different award.
Who-
They
who's
don't
the
get nominated for stuff
इस
like
सारी
this.
सारी शॉर्ट लिस्ट में सिर्फ एक कीपर है, डोनारूमा।
Oh yes, that's the best keeper in the world for sure.
Snake.
How is Donnarumma in there ahead of?
Because you should see the saves he makes.
Yeah,
Italy,
Euros.
Euros.
Euros में इतना fucking amazing saves.
They should both be
Don't
there.
go like this
No,
because it's a
fine.
freaking international.
You don't do that.
Euros, man.
You don't talk to me about Donnarumma either.
I know, but
I saw you.
You're going
I
like
saw you into yours.
rolling
Like,
your
he's
eyes.
like, oh yes, but no.
No, I do Donnarumma over Mendy any day. Like, who would you have in your team? Mendy or Donnarumma?
You want me to answer that?
Come on.
He'll say Mendy.
Especially after.
If you're saying Mendy, even like after seeing Donnarumma play, that is like the most biased thing.
Yeah, but I have no reason to swap Mendy.
I'm saying if you had a
The
choice.
reason is Donnarumma.
Yeah, the Donnarumma, bro.
दोनों free agents हैं और तुम्हें
Donny.
sign करना है.
Yeah.
दोनों free agents में sign करना
Yeah,
है.
you're making a new team.
दोनों को ले लूँगा फिर.
बस यही पूछ रहा था.
Yeah.
शायद मंडी भी ले लूँ. Have a good day.
जीत कौन रहा है Ballon d'Or?
जीत कौन रहा है?
Donnarumma.
बंदा जीत रहा है।
बड़ा I was telling you बड़ा PR गेम चल रहा है.
वो तो हमेशा चलता
तुम
है.
देख रहे हो Benzema,
हाँ.
Lewandowski,
Yeah.
Messi
Benzema.
obviously. Yeah, Benzema.
Bro, Benzema has been
PR
some
game
next
is
level
crazy.
and he's played
And
well.
So he's
Jorginho.
only Instagram.
जॉर्जिनियो का तो बहुत पहले से चल रहा था और आप थोड़ा
उसकी
लोग
PR
डाई डाउन हो गए कि यार
अब नए boys आए हैं जरा. अब
डाई
big
डाउन हो गए
boys
कि
आ
यार
रहे
हम
हैं
थोड़ा
now.
सा ज्यादा हो गए थे जॉर्जिनियो पे.
He's got a chance.
Come.
Big boys आ गए हैं.
He's got a chance.
Bro, first of all, Ballon d'Or is crap. All right, so even if he wins it,
I liked Ballon d'Or.
Who wins
Huh?
this crap? This is what we want to know.
यार
What about those guys? Remember Messi, Ronnie, Mbappe, Neymar? वो
they're
क्या
probably gonna give it to Messi again.
Think so?
Yeah,
I think
Copa
Messi.
America
I
जीता.
think Messi.
Yeah, man.
I think Messi will win it. I think
Messi.
Messi deserves to win it. But I think Jorginho should be runners up.
Who?
Messi deserves it. yeah.
Messi's gonna win it.
The Copa
Messi
America.
had an amazing season in Barcelona, and he won.
I'll tell you what the top three are going to be: Messi, Lewandowski, Benzema.
नहीं.
हाँ, शर्त लगा ले.
Lewandowski, ठीक है, but Benzema third. Benzema maybe
Yeah,
fifth.
yeah.
Fifth.
I'm
Maybe.
telling you, he's going to be third.
Third based on what?
Bro, PR,
Just-
PR game. I'm telling you, look
अच्छा,
what he's doing.
होगी
एक second, यार, एक second.
होनी
No.
क्या चाहिए ये बताओ.
होनी क्या चाहिए?
हाँ.
I'm telling you what it's gonna be like, as in like based on these guys and actual जो होनी चाहिए. इस पे सोचना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा.
किसी और के पास कोई है
Yeah.
लिस्ट?
I think
Okay,
Messi
okay.
will-
I
Wait,
would
wait,
like
wait,
this,
wait, 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 wait. Just one thing.
Okay.
Do what you actually think is gonna happen based on these dumbasses. Excuse me. And what it should be based
I
on your
have a
viewpoint.
problem with this sentence because I like the Ballon d'Or. I think it's a fair award. I think it
Okay.
always has been fair.
Okay.
85
Let's go to
journalists-
someone else.
Journalists, current team coaches, current team captains.
Journalists
aggregate
don't do
votes.
this.
You just said
They do
why
not.
does it
Just
make
captains and
different?
coaches.
Why does it make
They-
different? Because
सिर्फ
these
coaches
people-
करते हैं.
They're
What
coaches.
about?
Captains नहीं करते.
कैप्टन्स का मुझे नहीं पता
Journalists
लेकिन
भी करते हैं.
जर्नलिस्ट नहीं करते. मैंने
सादी वो
जर्नलिस्ट नहीं करते आप.
FIFA the best का फिर करते हैं.
हाँ, I think so. इसका नहीं करते.
एक इनमें से एक
अच्छा
करते
लेकिन
हो.
जो भी Ballon d'Or का metric है, I think fair metric है. ठीक है.
फिर मेंडी क्यों नहीं घुसा?
That pause was just crazy.
क्रिकेट डालना ठीक है पोस्ट में ना
It's over. It's over.
मैं कैमरा तोड़ दूंगा.
Oh, that was
Except
crazy.
this one time.
Nay, bro, I'm telling you, it's really biased. Like even Koulibaly didn't get in a few seasons ago when he was like top of the world and everything. Other
Okay,
people-
yeah.
समझ नहीं आ रहा. He's out.
He's out.
He's out. He's still trying to
देखो
figure it
तुम
out.
भी आते हैं. क्या होनी चाहिए लिस्ट?
यार so it's over the performances of the past 1 year, right?
Yeah.
जो साल गुजरा है. Number one, I think.
Don't say it.
अब बोलेगा.
No, as much as I would want him to win it, I think Messi
Who's
deserves
him?
it this year. He will be.
He who will be named.
Voldemort comes second in the Ballon d'Or.
Number two, this is tough.
Lewandowski scored 60 goals. How many goals did he score?
A lot.
A lot.
हाँ, ऐसे ही.
Yeah, but he plays in a
58
one-team
is
league.
fine.
He
Yeah.
doesn't, man. It's not that bad.
It's pretty bad.
It is
It is.
very.
I think
It
it
is
should
very
be
bad.
Messi, Lewandowski, Kante, top three. I think it should be that. I think what it will be.
Kante?
Yeah.
Yeah, he
This-
said what it. I think it should. be.
अब चेंज होगी उसकी सारी
yeah,
स्टेटमेंट.
What it will be.
Yeah.
Where did Jorginho go?
अभी इसने बोला था सेकंड आना चाहिए वैसे उसे.
Yeah.
नहीं मैं हाँ से उसको second कर देंगे आएगा ये.
अच्छा.
I think it's going to be
No, so
Messi.
why Kante this year? I feel like this year was like Kante's haven't had a lot of years where he
This is
should have
probably his
won
best
it.
year.
Or
He was man of the match in the Champions League quarterfinal, the Champions League semi-final,
Dude,
and the Champions League
but
final.
Kante
His form dropped, but he
like
played
Chelsea,
amazing in the
Chelsea
final.
in the league didn't do amazing, and France in the World Cup, you know,
Euros.
in the Euros.
No, but listen,
as
like,
well.
when a player is the player of the Champions League, it puts him up in the Ballon d'Or.
But a lot of people have been player of the Champions League.
And what and how have they finished below third in the Ballon d'Or? No, they haven't.
It's got a point
But
there.
I'm saying, uska, like you think he wins it ahead of Jorginho?
Yeah.
Same team, also won the Champions League, but also won the Euros.
Yeah.
Why?
He keeps
Because
catching
Jorginho is specifically an award for performances in Europe. ठीक है?
Jorginho is.
Jorginho's award.
Oh,
It was UEFA Player of the Year. ठीक है, UEFA Men's Player of the Year. Ballon d'Or is award for a calendar year, all tournaments. ठीक है, and I think
Kante doesn't. I mean, Kante didn't win the UEFA Player of the Year.
he won the Champions League Player of the Year.
So what did Jorginho win?
Jorginho won the UEFA. Jorginho won the UEFA Men's European Player of the Year. So that
only
means
counting the Euros.
that's counting Euros and a Champions League.
everything
So then he
played in
barely.
Europe.
Why doesn't he rank higher than Jorginho?
Because
than
Kante played in
and the-
France.
Because
Kante played
Kante
on
was a
both those.
better player in the Champions League than Jorginho. Understand?
Yes,
In the
but-
tournament.
But
Yeah.
Jorginho's award counts for the Champions League as well.
The Jorginho's award counts for the Champions League and the Euro holistically. So Kante
So isn't that good? Don't
Yeah.
we want more competitions?
Yeah.
Isn't that what
He's
the
won
tried
Ballon
to
d'Or is for
listen,
everything?
but it doesn't take to account domestic performances. Kante was amazing in the League Cup, the FA Cup, but we got to the final
So
of
the Champions
and
League
the
award
Premier
doesn't
League.
take that into account as well.
Huh?
The Champions League
It
award-
doesn't. What I'm
Yes.
saying is the Ballon d'Or is every competition. The
Yes.
Champions League award is just the Champions League, which
Yeah.
everyone agrees Kante was the best player.
Yes, and Jorginho's award, the European one.
Jorginho's award is for the Champions League and the Euros. And since he won both tournaments, then you can't look past him there.
So why does he win the Ballon d'Or as well, or finish above Kante in the Ballon d'Or?
Because if you
Domestically, he was not
take
good.
domestic, he was
Jorginho domestically अच्छा नहीं था इतना.
he wasn't as good as Kante. If you just take European competitions together, Jorginho's even played more matches now because he got past France. France got knocked out in between.
Yeah.
So Jorginho, it makes sense to give him the award there.
I'm a big fan of Kante, but I don't know, man.
Can we
about-
stop talking about Chelsea players and just tell us who your other picks
अच्छा
are?
देखो number यार Mo Salah would I'd like him to be in the list, but over the Liverpool as a club didn't do well enough in the past 12 months, and that's the only thing. But if you look at his performances, he was the best
Unreal,
player in
yeah.
the team
Actually,
and one of the best players
Actually, in the,
league,
in
right?
the calendar year, like 2021, if you look at it, in the fact that, when they were going down, and he's the one who sort of
exactly.
rallied them back in, and even these last few months, like they count in this year, these performances. I don't know. There could be a shout out.
Golden Boot में second आया साला.
यार मेरे से क्यों पूछ रहे हो ये स्टैट गया वो था
Stat guy.
You've taken my
Phone
phone away.
stat guy.
Well, whatever. I
You
think
know, so
was a
like
short film.
given Champions League में भी जो उसकी performances थी, League में जो performances थी, the only thing against him is कि वो international competition नहीं थी, World Cup नहीं था, और the दूसरा कि Liverpool itself didn't do that well in the League and Champions League.
What was the African Cup of Nations?
African Cup of Nations अब इस साल होना है ना?
इस साल होना है
अभी होगा. So this year I think next Ballon d'Or.
So what's the
think
top
he's
three
gonna
going to be? You think? What's the top three going to be? What should it be?
I think Messi takes number 1. You're right, Lewandowski I guess can take number 2, and then number 3 पे.
Kante or Jorginho? One of them. It'll be a Chelsea
One
player for
of
sure.
them,
It will be a Chelsea
I'm telling
player.
you it's gonna be Benzema.
They've all. I think
Benzema has
नहीं
been-
होता यार.
has been
जो
unreal.
ये European trophies जीतते हैं हमेशा top 3 में होते हैं. It's never going to be an outlier. I don't see it.
I wouldn't mind Kante.
They have to give top 3 to a Chelsea player.
Yeah.
They have to. 'Cause
हाँ
they won-
मैं भी ये कह रहा हूँ मेसी लेवा और
It
जॉर्जिनियो
could be.
आएगा
Yeah.
Jorginho.
I think Jorginho, because he won both the things.
हाँ
It's quite possible.
हाँ
There could also easily be Kante.
Yeah. But I think Messi will win
किसी
overall.
सिटी प्लेयर को नहीं मिल सकता, मतलब कि KDB को नहीं मिल
केडीबी
सकता.
मुश्किल है
No.
Third
EPL
best.
alone isn't
और
enough.
सिटी के मतलब उस तरह I guess
Ruben Diaz top 5 में आ सकता है लेकिन
Dude,
3
you
में नहीं
can't
आता.
predict who's going to start for City. How can you predict they're going to win the Ballon d'Or?
अच्छा एक और बड़ी डिबेट चल रही है आजकल फीफा में कि वर्ल्ड कप जो है वो आफ्टर एवरी 2 years होने चाहिए आर्सन वेंगर ने ये बोला सो व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक होने चाहिए या नहीं होने चाहिए
I support this.
You support this
Yes.
why
How?
For 2 reasons. One, it is going to take out 50 to 60% of useless international games. It's going to dilute the schedule. It's going
it's
to
going to dilute this.
yeah, it's going to. That's the whole point. 2 things. It's going to dilute the schedule because it's going to take out. They want to scrap these continental tournaments like Euro and Copa America, and they want to have a World Cup every 2 years, and that frees up at least 8 to 9 games that would be qualifying for other tournaments. And then the World Cup happens every 2 years, and then the schedule there's going to be less international breaks.
तो ये कोपा अमेरिका नहीं होगा.
That is-
यूरोप नहीं होगा. वो कैसे रोकेंगे?
I know what they're trying to do, but it's absolute nonsense.
They're trying to make a
Because
less hectic schedule for
they're
players.
just trying to make
I think
money
Copa America का नहीं बच्चा लेकिन Euro का है.
There's no way it'll end
This
up
is-
being a less
yeah.
hectic
No, but they've shown that part is proven that it's going to be less. That's up to you if you think it ruins the prestige of the World Cup. There's an argument there. I agree. I agree about that
Aside
argument.
from that, it's not going to fix the schedule in any way because it takes up to a year to actually qualify.
But they've changed
In
they've changed the format of qualifying.
Exactly, again, because एक तो first of all they want to make the fixtures. That's why they put in this Nations League. They want to free up all the dead time in between long breaks in the club season. And secondly, this is just another scheme for them to make big bucks. All right, they want it, and it is. It very clearly is. It's all profit.
But that's
motive.
an opinion. That's not a fact.
Okay, you can call it an opinion, but it's pretty clear what is driving their motive behind having 2 World Cups. What would 2 World Cups do to their checkbook? Every like
No, but
a
no,
World Cup every 2
fine.
years. What will it, no, just practically let's bring it.
पैसे
Like,
ब्रो पैसे कमाएंगे और क्या होगा
ठीक है.
what else will happen?
Just because कोई चीज
But-
पैसे कमा रही है इसके नहीं मतलब कि इन्हें किया इसलिए कि पैसे कमाएंगे. हो भी सकता है इसलिए
और क्यों
किया हो.
करेंगे? तो
उन्हें क्योंकि एक मीटिंग हुई थी.
People
एक-
confuse FIFA with an organization such as the UN or the World Bank or something like that.
Of course, FIFA's tarnished organization, but where
No,
this came
no,
from?
no, it's not a world organization. It's a company. It's there in the business.
It's a
of
governing
organizing-
body.
It's a governing body that's there to make money. All right.
Well, we disagree there.
No,
But
it isn't,
fine,
bro.
you might be right, and I'm not disagreeing with some of the things you're saying. But I'm saying the reason why this competition happened is because international managers, year after year, club managers, year after year after year, said these breaks, the players started complaining. अभी देखो हर इंटरव्यू के बाद कह रहे हैं कि हम रोबोट्स हैं. उधर से कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हुई. उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर आपने हर क्यों हो रहा था क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गेम्स हो इंटरनेशनल. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है क्यों हो रही ज़्यादा गेम्स क्योंकि हर साल कोई ना कोई इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है. सो दे आर लाइक लेट्स consolidated tournaments.
नहीं
Let's have
हो
a
रहा, bro. That's
that's not happening.
That's not happening. How? एक minute. Let's pick one international player. Let's say KDB for Belgium. ठीक है? He plays a Euro every 2 years. Every 4 years, and then 2 years later he plays a World Cup.
Yeah.
What other tournament is he playing?
Nations League.
That's what they brought in, and people were against that. There's no reason to bring in something such as the Nations League. ठीक है, to keep international teams more fit and active and gel them up so that they have that chemistry, they play international friendlies, and that's probably why they brought in the Nations League so that there's a club like tier system.
I completely get that. I don't even like the idea of a World Cup not being every 4 years. But for me, I think there's just that many international games that if there's less international games in a season, I'm willing to do that. Except a World Cup every 2 years if there's less games in the
But
schedule.
the thing is, you're correlating having more international games with the World Cup. It's not, they're separate. The World Cup was separate, and then to fit in this dead air, they put in more international games for no reason. There was no reason to put in more international
I
games.
get it. Friendlies तो खैर सेंस वैसे नहीं बनती ना, लेकिन जो आर्सन
And
वेंगर
especially-
का जो प्लान था उसमें बेसिकली ये दिखाया था कि हम फ्रेंडलीज कम करेंगे, हम क्वालिफाइंग को कम करेंगे, हम टूर्नामेंट्स कम करेंगे और ऊपर से गेम्स कम हो जाएगी. वर्ल्ड कप हर 2 साल होगा. मैंने कहा चलो यार वैसे वर्ल्ड कप 2 साल नहीं होना चाहिए.
मतलब आप इंटरनेशनल फ्रेंडलीज खत्म कर दो अगर और जस्ट कीप द क्वालिफायर्स जो है इस वक्त तो खत्म हो जाएंगे वो.
मैंने कहा आई थिंक फ्रेंडलीज खत्म कर दो एंड आई थिंक
यूएफा नेशंस
एक सेकंड कप कंपटीशन खत्म कर दो,
there's
लीग कप
also
खत्म कर दो. देयर इज नो रीजन फॉर लीग कप कंपटीशंस.
लीग कप खत्म नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि और भी बहुत ज्यादा छोटे क्लब्स हैं.
France did it. France ended their second cup competition.
France,
So
by the
Fran-
way, they've said now that there'll be less people in the French league. So this season, 4 teams will get relegated, and only 2 will get promoted.
And the Premier League think about having 18 as well, and they should do that too.
So
Why?
So,
The Prem should do 18 as
they're saying
well.
because
नहीं
there's a lot
है
of
मेरी बात
fixtures- there's a lot
लीग
of
कप की
fixture
जहाँ तक
congestion.
बात है सारी जो प्रीमियर लीग की टीम्स हैं उनको आप सेकंड साइड्स खिलाओ ना, अंडर 19s अंडर 23s को खिलाओ.
What this is called? It's
लीग
called
कप के
depth and all that
लिए
shit.
छोटे
ये
क्लब्स जो
argument नहीं है ना.
हैं
अब ब्राजील के मैच हुआ था फ्राइडे रात को, ठीक है. लिवरपूल का मैच था सैटरडे दोपहर 4 बजे, ठीक है. और लिवरपूल ने मैनेजर ने जब कहा यार हमने तो वॉटफोर्ड से बोला भी कि आप रात को कर दो, उन्होंने इंसिस्ट किया बीटी ने कि हम 4:30 करेंगे, ठीक है. और क्लॉप ने कहा मैंने कहा कि हाउ कैन यू डू दिस and they're like well this is why you have big squads. The answer can never be always big squad. You want to play your best team, and by saying oh like league cup में हमने backup क्यों खिलाए backup
And like
players?
नहीं लीग कप पे ना यार छोटे क्लब्स
क्यों खिलाए backup players?
नहीं खिलाओ. तुमने कहा है कि लीग कप्स खत्म
You
कर
should be
दो.
able to field the strongest team all the time, and internationals and club
तो फिर
competition is
कंटिन्यू
stopping
करो
this.
ना, फिर लीग
No, but
कप
like-
स्क्रैप क्यों कर रहे हो? जो
That's the
टियर
thing,
2
bro.
टियर 3
It's
टियर 4
possible.
है वो तो खेलेंगे ना.
You're thinking about
FA
it.
Cup है ना उनके
You're
लिए.
thinking about it.
क्यों अगर लीग कप है
FA Cup जब सारी टीम्स को चांस है जीतने के, लीग कप पे क्या तुक बनता है?
लीग कप पे में भी चांसेस
हाँ वही टीम्स उसी कंपटीशन के लिए 2 दफा है.
तो
नहीं,
छोटी
वही
टीम
teams
है ना.
नहीं है.
वही टीम्स
नहीं,
हैं.
FA कप में ज्यादा टीम है.
FA Cup में, that's what I'm
हाँ,
saying.
so
FA
why
Cup
you need a
is
league
other-
cup then?
That's their issue, bro. I
Yeah, I'm
keep
just
telling
saying,
you,
yeah.
it's because again they want to make more money. There's more rights, there's more sponsorship deals and all these things.
Broadcasting and
there's
whatnot.
also another dynamic of this whole international fixtures thing, and what Wenger was saying about removing international friendlies. The thing is, all these FAs, like every association organization for each country, they need big checkbooks as well. Why? Because they need it for their players' facilities, they need it for their everything like operational costs and all that stuff. International friendlies say they don't get that same gate, all right, the ticket gate, the amount of revenue that they generate from a match. That's why they introduced all these Nation League and then Copa America ke alawa bhi ek aur tournament.
Centrino or just whatever.
And now they're doing
बीच
this
में अमेरिका में जो हुआ
tournament,
था.
this tournament with Euro and Copa
Euro
America winners.
winners जो खेले.
Fit
वो
होगा.
कर रहे हैं.
वर्ल्ड कप बोल दो.
Yeah, so
और एक टीम हमेशा ओशियानिया से एक बार से ले लेते हैं.
even if
जापान
you
डाल
don't want to
देंगे.
admit it, and say, oh, the whole world is bad, they're all profit-making motives.
Yeah, at
all
the
right.
end.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Secondly,
profit making does not necessarily mean.
I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it's bad.
These small clubs, for example, when the larger clubs come and say we have these issues, our players go out on internationals and then we're not able to field our strongest squads, then the small clubs in these leagues usually veto any जो वो करना चाह रहे हैं ना कि ये match आगे करो ऐसा करो. Smaller clubs are like, you guys have bigger squads, right? Like as if it is. It's fair for them to get this advantage, whereas it's not. You're playing in the same league, right? So if someone has better players than you, he should be allowed to play them. You can't say that.
That's why the Premier League has
okay
only
for
3
us
subs
to-
because the other 14 clubs said we'll only keep 3 because the squad is better.
But also, like, where is the allegiance for a player? Like, technically, he's an employee for a club, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But they're going to play for like their country. So, like, what's the?
So that's
हाँ,
something.
वहाँ से
What's
इंजर हो
the
गया,
deal?
आ जाते हैं फिर
हाँ.
हाँ तो like the club को क्या
अब
समझ
जिस
रहे
तरह
हैं?
ब्राजील जाते हैं,
जिस तरह
ब्राजील से
ब्राजील
वहाँ
किया.
क्वारंटीन
Brazil didn't tell the respective clubs ke they just extended their qualifier by 1 extra day. That's why Saturday. बदमाशी है, like they.
और वो उस वक्त से कर रहे हैं. पहले जब बैन उन्होंने फीफा वाली बैन भी वो ट्राई करने की
हाँ, और
कोशिश की थी.
exactly
Klopp ही
जब-
कह रहा था.
जब वो उन्होंने कहा कि हमने खिलाना है तो उन्होंने फीफा को कंप्लेन कर दी कि इनको फील्ड ना करने दो ये लोग.
The thing
Yeah,
is,
other art-
the thing is, what Courtois said as well, and then what Klopp is also saying is that the welfare of the players should come first. ठीक है ना? And I know there are a lot of people who say कि oh, they're players, they're playing a
I was
lot.
gonna say
and
that.
they're
$1 लाख
paid for it.
भाई हफ्ते के लेते हैं.
I was gonna say that.
पैसे मिल रहे हैं, काम कर रहे
Yeah,
हैं.
I don't care.
If you give me 100,000, I
But
would run 5
especially-
times the extra.
but
Of
Yes,
course, yeah.
yes, I would do that. I would do
Sherry, for
that.
God's sake, of course you
I
wouldn't.
would do
That
that.
doesn't matter.
I already do
You
that.
physically can't.
If you were the
Yes,
best,
you can.
if
No,
you're
you
one of the
can.
best-
Yes, you can.
Bro, listen.
If you're one of the best in the world,
Yes, you
something
can.
you
A
get
goalkeeper
deserved.
can.
No,
No.
The
No,
thing is,
dude,
no
you
amount
can.
of money will fix your personal problems, family, mental health,
Physical.
They're in biosecure bubbles,
general
bro.
physical health.
You can
general
do it.
physical health.
Physically, you can
Physically
do it.
you
Of course,
do it, but
they're breaking down. Sherry, we've seen that you
शेरी
can't do
तुम
it.
ट्रैवल नहीं काउंट करते हो ना बीच
and
में.
especially
Yeah,
Not
come
really
on, man. Are you
नहीं
serious?
नहीं तो फिर उन्हें आगे क्वारंटीन करना पड़ता है.
Wow, they have to stay in like 5-star hotels. and
Sherry,
stuff.
just
match
you
नहीं
just
खेला.
you sound like one of the entitled
Wow.
fans कि अच्छा
Wow.
$3 लाख तो मेरे तुम slave हो और तुम जो मर्जी कराओगे तुम 5
But
दिन
you
5
can't-
गेम में
You
खेलोगे.
can't play.
Dude, give me that money. I'll play football.
You're a
I don't
goalkeeper.
care.
Goalkeepers can do it.
No, even
They
as a
can't
forward,
be
whatever.
expected
Just
to
make
play
me run
90
the
But
same
you'll
amount.
fall
I
down.
don't care.
You'll pull your hamstring. What if you get seriously injured?
So what? Injury is different to like.
It hurts. It won't hurt less if you have more
If you're
money.
injured, you can't play. Yeah. If they can't play 90 minutes 3 times a week for
Why not?
like
Because that's what
recovery
sports
is
science
for.
says.
48 40
No, it
weeks
doesn't.
straight. They
There's-
can't
There's a red
they get
zone.
injured.
There's a
Yes, I know.
yeah.
Yes.
But like what?
Also, by the way, traveling, they don't travel from Peshawar to Islamabad.
I know, but they travel
different
in
time
a
zones.
coach. Then they sit in the
They have
plane.
jet lag.
They traveled exactly. There's jet lag. There's all these other physical. What do you
They
call
They
it?
might not see their
They-
family for
bro,
weeks.
They eat-
All this
they
stuff
eat
matters,
the
man.
best food for their bodies. They get paid shit ton. They travel in like the most.
They don't get paid shit ton. They get paid what the market price is. There's no like, matlab, Mike Ashley has 330 million. Are we going to say, oh, like we're entitled to say things to him because that's
I
just
don't
what
know,
it's
bro. I
worth.
think
This
this
is
is-
the revenue they bring in. They get
Well,
paid
these guys
this.
get paid this much because they are the best in the world at doing this thing. If you were the best in the world doing something, you'd get paid a ton too.
Yeah, and you wouldn't think of it as a privilege. You'd be like, this is the bare minimum. Like Rudiger's asking for 250K because he's not like he's greedy. It's just because that's what he's worth.
Yeah, that's fine. But then don't complain about playing.
Of course he will.
Why?
He can only play as
That's
much.
what I'm saying. I'm not
Imagine
saying.
if someone
Why can't he
was
complain? complain?
not talking about the words. I'm talking about complaining about.
Why
flying.
can't he complain?
Why?
Like why is
It's his
there such
job.
entitlement in
Well,
fans
imagine
that they have to do?
अगर कोई बंदा तुम्हें बहुत अच्छी सैलरी दे रहा होता
Yeah.
और तुम्हें 40 घंटे से कहता है 40 नहीं भाई तू घर ही नहीं जाएगा
Dude, playing football and working a regular
यहाँ
job are two
तुम्हें
very
बिस्तर
different
में
things.
But
लगा
how do you
के
know
तुम्हें
that?
यहीं रहना है
You're not in that position.
It's like
No,
it's like the
ठीक है.
same thing
No,
as like
I
a
know what
celebrity,
you're
dude.
saying.
Like,
ठीक है, they enjoy doing it. That's
Yeah.
like I'm sure some of these players, especially like.
doesn't anybody
like,
here
but-
want to be a footballer?
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
it was
course,
all the
of course.
right?
But there comes a point. There comes a point when it's too much. Imagine on Monday you go to Brazil and you play a match. Then you come back and on Wednesday you have to play in Spain. Then on Saturday you have to play in England.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Are you telling me?
No.
Don't.
No,
Look
wait,
at
wait,
me.
wait.
Are you telling me you'll be able to do
No,
that?
no,
and you
forget
won't be
that.
like,
ठीक है,
"Fuck, I'm
exactly.
exhausted."
ठीक है, अब ये सब कुछ हो गया, ठीक है. अब फिर next दिन तुम्हें पता है कि तुम खेलोगे, तुम्हारी hamstring pull हो जाएगी, तुम्हें पता है, ठीक है. और तुम जाके publicly बोलो, यार, what's happening is too hectic. If you want to see the best of us, you have to take care of us. And people are like, shut up, dude. You make 200 grand, you will still play.
Because they
That's
play
messed up.
Because they play
वो
with
कह रहा है.
हाँ, वही कह रहा है.
they play with like a lot of intensity. It's
And
not
the
same-
training's in
I
between
know.
too. It's not
Yeah.
like they have a day off between
Exactly,
the
they
games.
have to train in between as well.
Yes, but it's the same thing. It's intensity, but it's also physical effort, right? They
Yeah.
recover in between. There's recoveries. They do all this.
There's no
shit.
recovery in between. That's what
It's
we're
like-
saying. Where is the recovery?
Bro, come on.
तो नहीं है ना चाहिए, ये तो मसला है. अगर recovery
They're
हो.
not- okay, 3 games.
अच्छा, let's
3 games
let's say in a
week.
world
How-
there is no
how-
recovery time,
okay.
right? Let's say there is no recovery time.
Yeah.
How do you complain about it when people won't let you?
What?
Let's say you don't have time to recover,
Yeah.
right? Isn't that a problem?
Yeah.
So then, if you can't complain about it because you're too rich to complain about it,
Yeah.
then what do? You just suffer then.
Bro, they're not playing 5 games a week. They're not fine 3 games a week, okay, but they're not playing it every single week.
But how?
They
The
are
reason
playing
why
it every
Alice,
single
2
week.
games a week is fine.
the reason why
Yeah,
Allison
they-
and Fabinho were left out
Bro,
was because they had a game within 22 hours of each other.
That's not recovery time. I admit that. 22 hours is nothing to recover.
So if Allison came on and said, "Dude, that's too much for me," would you say, "Allison, no, you still play"?
Allison is a keeper. That's different. All right. Fabinho, yes. If it was like 22 hours, yes,
तो
fine.
technically यही हो रहा है ना.
ना, bro.
हो रहा.
Bro, 8 घंटे travel करेंगे, कितना time रह गया बीच में?
I would say that you could pay me less than that much money, and I would still play football.
As a final,
You would play
Yes.
football.
As a final view, what do you guys think about
Bro, मैं
the 2-year
तेरा
World
मैं
Cup?
resume भेज रहा हूँ आगे.
यार 4 years जिस तरह है वैस उस तरह होना चाहिए.
Oh yeah, that's where it's sharp.
फ्रेंडलीज जो है बस उन्हें हटाओ और फिर थोड़ा सा ऑब्वियसली कुछ देखना पड़ेगा और लेकिन 2 years वर्ल्ड कप डजंट मेक सेंस टू मी नॉट एट ऑल. फिर यूरोस शोरोस कप फिर वो 4 years ही रखोगे क्या करोगे वो स्केड्यूल फिर वही हो जाएगा.
Dude, it loses the whole excitement, that whole factor कि
हाँ.
World Cup आ रहा है.
World
And-
Cup
and
आ रहा है.
especially
2 years फिर
there's
वही
ano-
बस हर
There's
2
another
साल
angle.
बाद
Is it used to be achievement like people like Ronaldo playing in 4 World Cups.
Yeah.
So if some other random Portuguese
Just doing
players
all the records.
comes, yeah, they say I played in 6 World Cups. You'd be like, oh, okay.
Bro, just I think at the top the problem is just like in most of sport that the main governing body does not care about the sport in general as
Yeah.
much. You know about the quality of the sport in general.
Yeah.
It's just
I mean,
about
you
how
talk about
can we
like
extract the most
Yeah.
cash out of this.
Yeah, you
sport.
talk about like FIFA not being like money greedy. They're just going after EA games right now for the naming rights. Of
Yeah,
FIFA.
yeah.
हाँ उन्होंने
Right?
Next
contract
year,
cancel कर
yeah,
दिया.
next year it
Yeah.
won't be called
तो
FIFA.
Pro Evo पे आ रहे हैं दोबारा हम फिर.
पता नहीं
No, the EA Sports will still make the game.
लेकिन उनको
It won't be called FIFA.
एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स नहीं है
लेकिन
क्योंकि
licensing
So they
EA ने
licensing तो वैसे भी they used to get individually from the FAs and the clubs.
सारों से individually ले
Yeah.
But it won't be called FIFA anymore.
हाँ और EA ने बोले क्योंकि they want multiple games सिर्फ एक गेम पे वो रिलाई नहीं करना चाहते FIFA वाले.
And,
Because they want to
and
make
FIFA
money.
was asking, I think, $1 billion over the span of 4 or 5 years. For just saying FIFA.
Ibrahimovic भी FIFA वाले game पे.
So money is a
सब
big deal.
case
man.
किया
पैसे का
उसने.
game है.
ऐसा क्यों?
Do you know?
Yeah.
नहीं.
Him and Gareth Bale were like, we didn't give permission for the game to use our likeness and our names.
अच्छा
Yeah. So apparently there's this whole debate on like because that they're players and they play for their clubs and they play under a FIFA governed body.
Chili बोलेगा, they make so much money, they should give their likeness for free.
अच्छा इसी नोट पे खत्म करते हैं वो
I was in FIFA, I do it.
काफी लंबी होगी ये वीडियो आज.
Yeah, चलो.
ठीक है चलो फिर boys.
Alright,
See you
pizza
next
guys.
Wait.
हाँ, क्या है?
Hashtag subscribe वगैरह.
Yeah, subscribe.
Like-
Where's the like
like-
button?
like button.
Something about the like button.
Right.
Something
Usually it's
you-
down here. I miss it every time, but you.
Camera's not gonna be on you anyways. It's gonna be on him.
नहीं अभी कर दूंगा ना मैं यार, करने दे यार, कुछ होने दो सर.
Hey, what about this? We were talking about this.
Oh, Illuminati! That's so
E-sports.
A sports.
Hashtag subscribe वगैरह. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, bye.